She's a pretty brown thing, got them curls that hang, and everybody knows when they see me, it's take glow. She's got beauty and brain, a glow that shines through rain. She's take glow.
Today I'm gonna show y'all how I add in my curly hair for Goddess or Bohemian Soft Locs. So I like to use a lock that has curl at the end to make it easy. This is the Freacher's Braid Hippie Lock. You can also find hair on Amazon that has curls at the end, and it will be a lot cheaper than beauty supply hair. I also use the Organique brand water curl, or you can use any curl you want. This is track hair, and I just cut the track off of the hair so that the curl could be loose. So the first way I'm gonna do it is I'm just going in and I'm going to add the hair later. So I'm attaching the lock like normal, crocheted at the root, and then I just begin wrapping. And you just wrap until you're ready to add the hair. You can add the hair at any point that you want to in your lock, whether it's closer to the end, at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. I get the piece of hair that I'm wrapping with and get it out of my way. I add the curl, the longer side at the top, shorter side at the bottom, since I am going to hold the shorter side with the lock and the shorter piece of Marley hair that's being wrapped around. And then you see the hair that I'm gonna have out is hanging up, and then I just continue wrapping around. I also like to go ahead and add mousse to each individual piece as I'm doing it, just so that the hair is molded into place. This will stop the tangles for your client. I just like to do this just to help my client out so that they don't have to keep going and adding mousse. I go ahead and do it at the beginning. So this is what it's looking like. And then now I'm just gonna show y'all, as y'all can see, I have the curly piece already, and I'm hooking that at the base of the lock, because for this one I want my curl to come out the root. And then I still just attach the Marley piece of hair or the spring twist hair at the base and crochet that through and go ahead and begin wrapping. And as y'all can see, the curly piece that I want out is pulled upwards. I just like to pull it to the top so that it's out the way. I don't clip it or nothing, I just pull it to the top. If it falls for you, you can choose to clip it, but make sure you're wrapping as usual. You want to wrap about 2 to 3 times at the base, and less is more so that it's not bulky, since we are going for more of a knotless look and less tension on the hair. I tried to leave this in like regular speed, and I also tried to move a little bit slower so that y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm also gonna give y'all a close-up in a little bit just so y'all can see closer, but some people learn farther away, so I just wanted to show y'all this as well. Adding that mousse to the curly hair. Y'all, again, if you want more curls, you can still, how I added that at the root, I still could have went in and added more curls to later on how I did that first time. So now I'm showing y'all closer up, and I'm gonna add the hair later. This isn't one that I'm gonna add the curly piece at the root. So like I said, you're gonna crochet that spring twist or Marley hair, this is spring twist hair, through the root. The shorter piece is always going to be connected with where you have the lock, so that you can wrap the longer piece around the lock and the shorter piece of hair, and that helps that attach. If y'all need a tutorial on just how to do the soft locks, I can give y'all that as well, but this video is specifically for adding in the curly pieces, because I was very confused until I literally sat there and just did it myself. I didn't understand how they were adding it. So I'm showing y'all again. You just want to hold the short piece with the lock, hold that together, and make sure whenever you're wrapping, you don't skip. Like, you literally want to continue to wrap the spring twist hair over itself. You don't want to skip a space just because you added that hair and then it's this space that looks odd and with the curly piece just bulging out. You want to continue to wrap super tight and over each other like you didn't even add the curly piece. So like I told y'all, I'm going ahead and adding the mousse to each strand. And as y'all can see, I'm just giving y'all an overview of everything, and this is how everything came out. I don't like to add like a whole lot of mousse at the root of the person hair. I just add, you know, a good amount. But yeah, like I said, I'm just showing y'all this, the hair. Here's me adding that mousse at the roots. Like I said, I be feeling like it'd be too much mousse people be adding. I just add whatever I want to add and get that through the hair. And then once I'm ready, I go ahead and spray a little bit of Got To Be Free spray just to get that mousse to blend in better, and also just to get rid of any flyaways, secure the hairstyle, let it mold and be in place. Okay, so here's the final result. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notification bells and let me know what else y'all want to see. Peace out, Take Loc gang.